I'm Michael Parker. I'm president of the Molycop business here in Australia. Molycop's committed to further reducing the carbon emissions associated with our products and operations. I think the Renewable Energy Industrial Precinct here in the Hunter will help us achieve that goal. Molycop makes specialised steel products for the mining and rail transport industry. We employ around 600 people and we spend over $300 million locally on salaries, goods and services. We've embraced the opportunity around renewable energy and the circular economy. Independent benchmarking shows our carbon intensity is 75% less than our competitors. And our goal is to meet the requirements of our customers around their demands for responsible suppliers.